876.
GRUNG got up and running, you see it? Mad. Hewitt, otherwise called GRUNG on the road. 91 Corolla. Yeah man, Trace GTE. Rods and piston. T3, T4 turbo. Under program. Recently built. So you know, just go and work in the engine. 5 pound of boost. So it start from a family background. You know, father, Bolty, Rambo. So we run a Honda, a Dover, and from there so everything start. Then my brother named Revy take it on. Everything just fall in place. Just hold the Corolla and then me find out say it's a Trace and I know it's a Trace of performance. So I just take it up serious and decide say I take it to the street and I eat this. Well, the color is nice, the speed, yeah man, you got it. And the whole crowd just love everything what me do here. So I'm always known for have sample car, so this is one of the sample car. Well, right now it's daily, you know, but soon, very soon, it will be a machine. So it's a regular suspension, stock suspension. Strut and, you know, we do it already, cut it lower, cut the spring them and just drop it on a regular, how we normally do it, for the time being. So, yeah man, we're going to run it until we fully upgrade to TNR or any other suspension we can really angle the big boy juice. The engine right now is a more stronger engine. Bigger rods, tougher piston, and the turbo alright for the time being. Looking to upgrade to big boy turbos and then go on the road. No sir, car not sell. This car going to park up in a garage, cover up until you're ready to go streets, until you're ready to lick off them bad boys' head. .40 series, just regular triangle tires on rim, 17-inch. Just regular 2.5-inch pipe run from right up at the manifold, go right back, round to the back. Easy man, who can drive left hand must have a warm time to try this and to drive it, but that's the easiest thing for me right now. Honestly, you know, every moment, because once I drive out and everybody just has a machine. Right now, I never get an extra on. Every time I blow it, come like one while I'm gone. Engine. Everybody want to know what kind of engine. Keep on telling them, Trace. When me buy the car, them have God on it. I don't know what was the next word. So I come and watch it and I start running it. Everybody see it around and them you look at me and say, you know, so I call her car GRUNG do. I say, yeah. Yeah, it sound good enough. Yeah, it sound good. The next upgrade, a bigger turbo, better suspension, and some more brake on the back. Since I get this car now, a lot of accomplishment. You know, you can go on the road, everybody know the car because they know say when the burnout, I take it for a try fully. I tried to have it, but I waste time with it, so my turn now, so I take it. Yeah, so I hit that. And then if you know say, boy, I could have take this from Markland and Billy. Boy, I tell you man, it's a big one. Launch control. Boy, teacher. Psycho yeah man, but a different man come for your race now. You see, a lot of young youth them are coming at speed and you don't know about speed. Now follow them man and drive hard man. Go easy, take it to the track. Now run it on the road. So you have to just go easy with it and just take your time and do your thing. I'm going to tell you, make sure you say anything you do, speed wise, you have good brake, engine run good, and everything up to par because a problem that. Big problem that. So make sure you say everything good and seatbelt, and left it my youth. Make sure you say everything strap up. Don't follow man and overtake somewhere and drive somewhere road and you know your car not ready. Brake can fail it anytime, anything can fail it anytime. Just work with the flow. Don't know where go. GRUNG got this up and running. Big up Markland. Markland sort out the car. Car solid, car run good. Billy, I'm a friend see you here. I take it now, you know. I'm a friend see you here. We still come for you Markland, you know, but no worry yourself. But hear me I say, big up see you here. Billy, Spoon, the whole works, everybody, Kevin, everybody. A76, that's how we do it. We take it to the road, but we still have to take it easy. We now go hard unless we know we machine up and running. For real. So big up all who respect GRUNG, all who look out for GRUNG, and all of my friends. Because I can't call everybody name because I have too much friends. Big up on yourself, don't know, GRUNG out.
Drop yourself in here, bitch, I me know even never near this. Make the devil your strip can't box her in. No one ever wait this. Remember tell the place this if you can't own your masters. Left the slave ship, remember the first time I left the spaceship. Know what the issue is.